Welcome, my friend. Before this story begins, pause for a moment and ask yourself a simple question. Why do some people move forward every day, while others stay in the same place for years? The answer is not luck, talent, or intelligence. It is something quieter, something almost invisible. Today, you will discover a powerful idea that works silently in the background of every great achievement. This is not a story about one person. It is a story about a system that can change direction, build discipline, and slowly shape a better future. Stay with this story, because by the end, you may realize that success is not something you chase. It is something you build, step by step. The world moves according to patterns. The sun rises, the seasons change, and habits repeat themselves every single day. Success follows the same rule. It does not arrive suddenly, and it does not depend on strong emotions or big promises. It grows from small actions repeated again and again. A system for success is simply a clear way of living, working, and thinking that removes confusion and replaces it with direction. When a system exists, decisions become easier and progress becomes steady. Without a system, effort feels heavy, motivation disappears quickly, and goals remain far away. The system does not care about mood or energy. It works even on tired days, slow days, and boring days. Many people believe that motivation comes first and action comes later. In reality, action creates motivation. A system understands this truth. It does not wait for perfect feelings. It creates a structure that makes action automatic. When a clear routine is followed, the mind stops arguing. There is no daily debate about starting or stopping. The system decides in advance. This is why systems are stronger than willpower. Willpower gets tired, but systems continue. Over time, these repeated actions build confidence, skill, and belief. Progress becomes visible, and motivation grows naturally from results, not dreams. A system for success begins with clarity. Without clarity, effort spreads in many directions and produces little result. Clarity means knowing what matters and what does not. It means choosing one path instead of 10. When priorities are clear, energy is focused. Time stops leaking into distractions. Even small actions start to feel meaningful. A clear system removes noise and creates simplicity. Simplicity does not mean easy. It means purposeful. Each step has a reason. Each habit supports a goal. Slowly, life begins to feel less chaotic and more intentional. Consistency is the true engine of any system. Big changes are built from small, repeated behaviors. One page read every day becomes knowledge. One skill practiced daily becomes mastery. One honest effort each morning becomes growth. A system does not aim for dramatic change overnight. It aims for steady improvement over time. This approach removes pressure and fear. There is no rush, only rhythm. When actions become part of daily life, progress no longer feels forced. It feels natural. The system turns discipline into habit, and habit into identity. Every system must include reflection. Without reflection, mistakes repeat and lessons are lost. Reflection is the quiet moment of looking back and adjusting forward. It asks simple questions. What worked? What did not? What can improve tomorrow? These questions strengthen the system. They prevent stagnation and encourage learning. Reflection does not judge. It observes. It turns failure into information and difficulty into guidance. With reflection, the system evolves. It becomes smarter, stronger, and more aligned with reality. A strong system also respects limits. Energy is not unlimited, and time cannot be replaced. Success does not come from endless effort, but from sustainable effort. Rest is part of the system, not an enemy of progress. Balance protects consistency. When rest is planned, burnout is avoided. When limits are respected, effort becomes efficient. A system understands that long-term success requires patience. It values endurance over intensity. This mindset creates progress that lasts, not progress that collapses. The system for success is quiet. It does not seek attention or praise. It works in silence while results slowly appear. It replaces excuses with structure and replaces hope with action. Over time, confidence grows, not because of words, but because of proof. Each completed action becomes evidence of capability. This evidence changes self-belief. What once felt impossible begins to feel normal. The system reshapes identity. Success stops being a goal and starts becoming a lifestyle. In the end, success is not a destination reached by chance. It is the natural outcome of a well-built system followed with patience. Anyone can dream, but only a system can deliver. When the system is strong, progress becomes inevitable. Day by day, step by step, the future changes quietly. The question is no longer, can success happen? The real question becomes, what system will guide the next step? And when that system is chosen, the path forward becomes clear.